Miami Valley Packaging Solutions was established on August 1st of 2009 when three longtime employees of B&L Packaging purchased the assets of the company and renamed it. Miami Valley Packaging Solutions is a name that reflects the abilities and vision of the future to be the primary packaging solutions provider in southwestern Ohio. Leasing the building on Stanley Avenue allowed the new company time to grow the business, while at the same time search for a permanent, larger facility that would support the future growth of the company. In just over 5 years after being established, Miami Valley Packaging Solutions has purchased the 100,000 square foot building at 150 Janney Road in Dayton. Much demolition, renovations, and upgrades were required to convert the empty warehouse into a modern, efficient manufacturing facility. Renovations included new offices, a large design room, and an employee break room. At the same time the building was purchased, the first major equipment acquisition was made. A Martin Flexo folder gluer was purchased. The installation required major modifications to the inside of the building, including concrete work and a complete upgrade of the electric capacity. The total investment of the building and the machinery was nearly $3 million. The transition into the new location began in January of 2015 with the moving of the machines. This was completed with all machines running and people in place in February of 2015 without missing a single customer's order. At MVPS, solving problems by design, innovation, and customer service is more than a saying. It is a commitment from everyone. The award-winning design department is knowledgeable and creative. With the investment in a new CAD table in the summer of 2016, the possibilities have expanded and the efficiency has increased. Here is an example of an item being sampled to custom specifications, printed to color on the small press, and die cut to create the finished product. With the understanding of the competitiveness of the industry, all of the employees, from the owners to the office to the machine operators to the truck drivers, are committed to getting the customer what they want, when they want it, and right the first time. The Flexo folder gluer includes a pre-feeder with an auto loader. It can print up to 4 colors in one pass. It scores, slots, glues, and folds a blank sheet to a complete carton. It can also die cut in line. The load former completes the process with minimal human touching. The 66 by 120 rotary die cutter allows for unique designs to be quickly and efficiently produced from a blank sheet to a finished product. The large press and small press are similar since they both are capable of printing 2 colors in one pass. These two presses provide flexibility to produce both smaller and larger cartons used in a variety of industries, from retail to automotive. Here's an example of the small press in operation. One of the first markets MVPS expanded into was the plastic corrugated market, creating strategic partnerships with suppliers and customers, along with the ability to utilize current equipment to convert the plastic into cartons, totes, and dunnage, allowed for quick and sustained growth in this segment of the business. Taking into account the growth potential in the plastic corrugated and its special characteristics, when the new building was being renovated, a special 3,000 square foot climate-controlled room was built. The room is for the assembly and hands-on work much of the plastic products require. Once the cartons are through the presses or the die cutter, they are staged in the finishing department to be joined, bundled, and unitized and ready to be delivered to the customer. Having company trucks and drivers allows Miami Valley Packaging Solutions to have control of transportation costs and helps ensure on-time deliveries. The drivers act as one more contact for customer service and satisfaction.